Hi beautiful people, I'm Daphne. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I started a series where and do whimsical activities so that I can get my spark back because it's been lost for a minute there. You see this boring wall behind me? I want to turn it into a Pinterest worthy wall in under 5 minutes with probably most of the things you have in the house. Let's get right into the video. Hashtag Bro Beach Edition. For this activity, we only need a wall, which we already have. These CDs, are they called Vindy or yeah? CDs, office glue, any glue of your choice. So those are the things you need. So after making sure that your glue is covered well, just pick a design, any design that you want. Just be creative, let your creative juices flow. So pick any design that you want and just place it. That's all. So please don't use office glue. Hi shiki guys. Hi shiki. Not giving up. Fingers crossed. I'm trying to make sure that it is well distributed. Guys, moment of truth. Moment of truth. Yes! Yeah. Wambie mikubali. No, sicheze nayo snow. Wambie mikubali. Use this glue, guys. Office glue, nada. Not doing it. I'm thinking of doing like a triangle, just something simple for now. If I want to change it, I can always get creative anytime, but for now, let me just do that. So let me place this one here. I'm just pressing it to make sure that imeshika vizuri. Coming. It's coming. Repeat the same process. Okay, good. Our last one, so let's put it here. It's working, guys. Please, guys, again, use super glue. I don't even know why I thought office glue would work. So guys, this is how it looks. At least it's no longer boring. Yes, I'll have to do more, but for now it looks better. You cannot compare to the way it was. Yeah, this is an up-close video of how it turned out, guys. I really love it. Yeah, doing small activities, whimsical activities to try and get my spark back. And so far, activity number 1 complete, done and dusted. Broke Beach edition. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. See you on our next activity. Bye.